Hi everyone, this is Save Create the Heart, and I'm back with video number 2 in my Destash, my ginormous Destash. It is a huge Destash. So make sure you watch video number 1, watch the rest of the videos. I also have an introduction video, so you can watch that if you want to know how it all works. Basically, if you see a lot that you like, email me at scoop71@yahoo.com and let me know that you are interested. Once you're done shopping, let me know, or I'll just say this is your total, pay right away with friends and family PayPal, and then I'll send it on to you. These are all sent priority mail, so it's got to be U.S. flat rate box, medium box. All right, Magical Adventure by Echo Park. This is the full kit, never used. And then I've got this giant thing of papers. It's mostly not been used papers, and this is actually from Chicken Itty Crafts. So it was a short-lived craft company, but they did put out this very pretty paper. I've got some like ephemera pieces and little bits you can cut out, and it's a very girly kind of paper, ballerinas and so on. So got a bunch of that in here. So then I've got this. This was a kit that I had done. I want to say that this was with Crop and Create. So I've got this Letters to Santa. So I have a bunch of paper left. I think this is Cartabella. Feels like Cartabella. I've got some stickers left. Yeah, I think this is Cartabella. Letters to Santa. So I've got some paper. It's like 4 sheets of full paper, some stickers left. This is one of the books that we made that I'm including in here. Also, the alphabet pieces that are left. This book that we had just, you know, I didn't write in it or anything, but, you know. So that's what we made, and then the stamp set that we got in our kit. So you get all the rest of the kit. And that's in there. And then we have the dual brush pens by Tombow in Tropical. These are Sidewalks flower sacks. I actually have used these before. You kind of stack them on top, make a little flower. October Afternoon. I have Abby's Spring Showers. I don't think I have the dies, just this right here. I've got this Neat and Tangled and the die. This is Cracked Lula. This is from Pink and Main, and what it does is it embosses and cuts. So you'll put your paper through here, it will emboss it, and it will cut it out. So that's cool. And then I've got these Milk Bunny. This is Gina K. And I also have the stencil. I've got this Merry Kisses and the dies. I have this Sunny Studio Tropical Scenes. And then I've got this stencil, butterfly stencil. All right, number 6. We'll go ahead and make sure I write it. Number 6 has this Martha Stewart Crafts paper pad, which is no longer in existence, and I love it, but I've used quite a bit. I mean, not this one. This one I think is almost completely full, if not completely full, but I've had multiple papers of this, and I've used so much of it. It's so amazing. You'll love it. So you get that. You get the Sugar Plum, which I think this is a Recollections. I don't think I've ever used this. If I did, it's like 1 or 2 sheets, but it's like a gingerbread one. It's super cute. I debated keeping it, but I made myself say goodbye to it. Celebrate Easter. I don't think I've used it. It's clean. And then I've got this, which is a, I believe it's crepe paper, American Crafts, kind of a vintage from them, and it is a cut-apart sheet. And I've used a couple things out of it, but mostly all intact. There's that. Then we have these Imaginists and some American Crafts paper, just loose paper. Joann's sells loose paper. And I think I might have even gotten this at a trade show. That's that. And then we have this Brenda Walton K & Company paper. I don't think I've used any of it. That's 12 by 12. Then we have these Magic Wand pencils. I'm not sure what they are. I think they're some sort of color pencils, but I've never opened them. I'm not going to open them, so they're completely sealed. Then I have Snowflake, which is crepe paper. And it's got some foiling and 6x8 paper pad never used. I also have this Market Square sticker pack. I don't think I've ever used any of these stickers. I've got the Snowflake ephemera. I don't think I've used any of them. I've got some stickers. These are puffy stickers. I have used a few of these. Sorry, this goes with another thing. And then I've got this Market Square ephemera. That. And then we've got this slimline die. And then this is a whole bunch of sentiments and some stamps from Unity, I believe, Stamp Company. So, yeah, Unity Stamp Company. So, a bunch of that. Thank you. And then I'll be back with number 7. All right, number 7 includes Sparkle City by Chamel Project Pad. I don't think I ever used any of this. Just that. We've got the Simple Story Say Cheese 2 in this big paper pad. I don't think I used any of this. Looks pretty brand new. Echo Park, Once Upon a Time Princess, brand new. I Love Summer, brand new. Chamel Glitter Girl paper pad, or I think it's a project pad is what they call it, because it includes solids and patterns. And this even has some cut aparts and some stickers. And then I've got this one, which is K & Company paper. I don't know what this one's called, but it's pretty sure it's already been used. It's a Christmas one. So there's that. And then we've got the Chamel Glitter Girl. These are these little, I don't know what they are. They're like little charms. And then got some things from October Afternoon. These are the little flags. These are these boarding pass. They're like little rubber stickers. And then this is a Simple Story Say Cheese paper clip pieces. Some more of those like rubber pieces. Rubber Charms Rocket Age. October Afternoon. October Afternoon. These are some brads from October Afternoon. Midway journal cards from October Afternoon. This is the Glitter Girl paper that goes, 6x6. I don't really think I used any of this. I think this is just some loose sheets of paper there. Here are some Say Cheese 2 snap cards. Some more rubber pieces. Pink Fresh Studio. This is a 6x6 stamp called Diagonal Bars. I've got this Pink Fresh Studio foldable shaker tags, and then these stickers, which kind of goes really nicely with the Chamel products. Anyway, I'll be back with the next box. All right, just a correction. That last box was 7. So the first box I did was 6. The last box was 7. This is 8. I got interrupted in the middle of my video, so it threw me off. So this one is 8. The last one was 7. All right, number 8. So these are all $38. Everything's $38 unless I say otherwise. We've got Jingle from Authentique. I don't think I've ever used any of this. Comes with a sticker sheet. We have this Happy Birthday, which I have obviously used a sheet of this. There's the stickers. We have some crepe paper, some loose crepe paper here. Makes it 12 by 12 double-sided, and then I've got some Simple Stories. then we have this paper pad, which is EK Success. And then I have this princess one. And then I've got this A4 Julie Nutting paper. I don't think I use any of this. So these are the patterns. This is a fall one. And then I have the stickers, parasol stickers, parasol ephemera, and parasol paper, 6x8, never used, Maggie Holmes. And also this is the Maggie Holmes stamp, and it's all these different sayings that you can use. All right, that last box was number 9, and this box is number 10. They are all properly numbered here. That's what happens when people interrupt me a million times. And there's no one home but my boyfriend, so go figure that one. All right, so this is, it's not even the kids that are bothering me. So it's, let's go ahead and get all this stuff out. Okay. All right, so let's see here. Let's see. All right, so we have, this is Julie Nutting Paper Pad November, December. I have used some of this. This is what's left, quite a bit left. Then we have this die cuts with a view, look a lot like Christmas stack. I used a handful of sheets in this. And then we have, this is from Close to My Heart. It's called Jingle Joy Book Bulk Paper. And it comes with the same sheets. So, and then some solids. So there's that. And then we have some Martha Stewart. So what's left of these ones that I've used, she does not really do paper like this anymore. So this was my favorite one. And, but there's still some sheets left that you could use. And it's great. So then I also have Round Trip Maggie Holmes. I don't think I used any of this. I think it's brand new. And then I've got these Round Trip stickers. I have dual brush pens in Galaxy. I have this stamp set from Pink Fresh Studio and the die. I have this one, which is called Nothing But the Best. So it has the stamp, the stencil, and the die, the thing in there. And then I have this one, which is called Peony Fantasy, which has the stamp set and the stencil, and I don't know if it has the dies. Oh, and the dies. The whole shebang. And then this Round Trip ephemera. This is number 10. Make sure to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com if you're interested in any of these. Be sure to watch all the videos to see all the different destashes. I've got quite a few videos up of all the things I'm destashing. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Ukraine with the Heart.